Listen to those lovebirds.
Mitch.
Cover your faces! Cover your eyes!
That's a sparrow, all right.
We know what it is, Al.
Did you have a light burning or something?
Well, yes, but there wouldn't have been that much light going up the chimney.
Because sometimes birds are attracted by light, you know. Sure is a peculiar thing.
Well, all right, but we've got to do something about it.
I don't think I get you, Mitch. Do about what?
Well, the birds invaded the house.
What's more likely, they got in the room and was just panicked, that's
All right, I'll admit a bird will panic in an enclosed room, but they didn't just get in. They came in right down the chimney.
My wife found a bird in the back seat of her car once.
Tell him about the party.
That's right. We had a party here this afternoon for Kathy for her birthday. In the
How
middle
old
of
is she?
11. In the middle of the party, some seagulls came down at the children. Miss Daniels was attacked by a gull only yesterday.
Yeah. Were the kids bothering the birds or something? Because if you make any kind of a disturbance near them, they just come after you.
Al, the children were playing a game. Those gulls attacked.
Now, Lydia, attack's a pretty strong word, don't you think? I mean, birds just don't go around attacking people without no reason. You know what I mean? Kids probably scared them, that's all.
These birds attacked.
Well, you got quite a mess here, I'll admit that. Maybe you ought to put some screen on top of your chimney. You want some help cleaning up?
No, I can help it. It shouldn't be too much of a job.
I'll take Kathy up to bed. I think I should stay, don't you?
It would be nice if you could.
My things are in the car. Do you want to go with me?
All right.
Well, anything else I can do, Mitch?
No, thanks, Al. We'll be right.
Good night, Lydia. Sure is peculiar.